Already extremely powerful, its crushing effect on the enemy's war machine is growing fast. Start any fine morning with the Bostons. From many stations, these American-built bombers fly on raids against military targets in enemy-held territory across the Channel. Many targets every day. The pictures you're going to see were shot by RAF cameramen during actual raids. First, an operation by 2 Boston squadrons against the docks and enemy shipping at St. Malo. We go across flying low. Nearing the target, we go up to about 8,000. Open bomb doors and the target right in the bomb site. Smack across the docks. Motion picture evidence of precision bombing by the Royal Air Force. But the thing to remember is that this was only one target on one day. Now for another. This time the target's the chemical works near Lille. And again, Bostons are on the job. For the little affair at St. Malo, they had fighter escort, though it didn't come into the picture. This time there's no escort, and the job's carried out at extreme low level all the way. Over the sea at 0 feet, and over France at rooftop height. Not far from the target now. Watch the plane ahead of us and you'll see columns of smoke rise from factory buildings as her bombs strike. We shan't see our own, though we can almost feel them go as the camera shakes.